in July you had a very successful conference. Over 1,000
Right.
people Ignite conference.
Yes.
Right. Can you tell me about your vision for that conference and how you feel about the conference itself?
Well, for this year, Ignite became the biggest conference in the Philippines. So
The biggest conference in the Philippines.
yes.
Uh-huh.
So we had a 1,100 audience, and we invited more than 40 investors, institutional investors, and 40 corporations, and so many startups. I think more than 100, and half of the audience was from corporations, local corporations. So the audience was very diverse and very international.
I do conferences. What do you think? Are some of the learnings and advice that you can give to people wanting to get into this business?
I think the toughest part is to get a sponsorship. In a startup conference, it's still new idea. So when we reach out to local corporations, we first need to explain about startup. What is startup? What is innovation? And why do we need this kind of conference? And how it will contribute to the branding or their future vision.
Right.
That's the toughest part. I think it takes time to educate the local people for this kind of new idea.
How many sponsors did you have?
We had almost 20 for this year.
The
this
year before?
conference. But last year, I think half.
About 10.
Yes.
Right. And for the 30 sponsors that you had together, how many people you need to have seen?
I think we have reached almost 200 companies to get a 20. So it takes time to
Perseverance.
yes.
That's about 10% of success rate. So you reach 9, you feel like giving up. The last one is the answer.
Yeah.
How do you psyche yourself into not giving up?
Well, I know the success rate is low, so I could keep patience if I know the game.
Let's talk about the vision for your conference business.
Okay.
What do you hope to achieve in the next 5 years?
Okay. For this year, we focused on the Philippines, but we want to make Ignite as a regional conference. So we want to make it bigger without sacrificing the quality. So for the next year, we target 2,000 audience. We want to invite people from the audience from Thailand, Malaysia, Indonesia, and we plan to find each local community partner in each countries. We plan to bring them.
That's interesting. Is it difficult being in the Philippines, which is almost a third world country, for international speakers to say, hey, I'll come, comparing to doing a conference in Tokyo or in Hong Kong, which
we have a difficulty because market here is very small compared with Japan.
Yes.
Japan has more than 60 prefectures, and the Philippines is smaller than one prefecture. So if we invite the speakers from developed countries, they might not be interested. They might think it's not worthwhile to spend time and money.
So why would you want to do it in the Philippines and not Tokyo or Hong Kong?
Well, we have to explain the future growth possibility in the Philippines. So within 10 years since I started living here, the GDP of the Philippines has tripled, 3 times bigger than 10 years ago. And after 5 years, the GDP will exceed the size of Thailand. So we need to explain the future and what will happen here and what's happening now and why they have to be here now.
Right. So are you optimistic about the Philippines?
I'm very optimistic because when I check the population growth, it's increasing 1.6% every year. It means 1.6 million population every year.
Right.
And the population here is exceeding now 100 million. And it will reach to 150 after 30 years.
Right.
This is one of the fastest growth within the world. So if there was operation, they spend money,
Right.
and we need to earn money.
So you can see your future generation being
Yes.
in Philippines?
Yes.